Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, money down on the ground. If you are rich, on the beach. Yeah, man, we there go and hold it up in my mind here. Just watch a movie here, leave a comment, do the right thing. And stay to the end, we'll show you a preview of 15 and Pregnant 10. We're going to go get it next weekend. Alright then, but we'll get a preview. Let's go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Mm. 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 Well, I just life though, I just life though. Turn the light on. As your queen, your life gone. Me see what them up to. Them two stuck to. See what them been drinking, and I hear what them been thinking. One king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king. One king, one king, one king, one king, one thing. Then I know them I play with, then I owe. But we change, we change, we change, we change. But we change, we change, we change. Nothing new to me. You can never get used to me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. You push me to my destiny. I see you from a mile though. I see you from a mile though. Me read all your style though. This world is ever changing, but I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna do what the wicked men do. I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna change too. You don't know me. You don't know my story though. I come from the gully, from the gully, from the gully, from the gully, and I come from the hills.
There, man.
What?
There. Thing good.
Yeah, man, right there.
Some things.
Things alright, you know, say I want to break me, I take the car through. You know, whole day I'm on the computer, I want to rest, so I come out and do come pick 2 plum. But where I come like them, pick them after over this party, I pay a young one, man, over the say big one then they.
Well, you know what I want to do, boy, I get big in the business and now.
Yeah,
Yeah, can they show me up some thing, you see me?
Yeah.
So you know, say any little thing me have to leave, then bad me have to chat down. Yeah, I get the box.
Yeah,
so
man.
I get a piece of food.
Yeah, man, you know, say me available anytime.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But there, in a year, I say, I come give you a link and I can say, oh, I have a little piece of job there for you, you see me?
Yeah, man.
There still, long time I to jump in, but what they say, everything stuff up.
Yeah, it me realize you want them big over there, so man. But big up yourself, I'm glad, I'm happy for you, man. You know?
Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, you have your little side hustle, you know?
You see me?
Yeah, man.
But anyway, still, I go up and jump out, but anyway, you see me, because I'm fine with me, I'm fine.
Oh, yeah, man, alright.
So, me link you,
yeah, man.
Still, you see me?
Yeah. I forget what it is, I forget what to type, so we'll get one stick.
Yeah, man, me up top, yeah, man. Yeah, man, send her up, man. What's her name? Dulce? I she see a man. Can't even done the interview already and say you know her. You know she live on thing already. Send her up. Alright. Alright, so are you right? We just them give me a profile already still, but I just want to see you in person still, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so later in the night, I'm going to send somebody, bring you to the location, they're going to give you the money. First thing tomorrow, you're going to the bank and go lodge it. None of my people them can go in there. Them exhaust them face already, right?
Okay.
Yeah man. So don't worry yourself. Some just want to see you in person. So what them saying name again? Dulce.
Dulce.
Alright. Alright, Dulce.
So your people are gonna link my people at night?
Them a link you. My people go link you directly. We don't work with
Oh,
them
them not but you. Okay.
Are you them a link directly?
No problem.
You know Candy already and one of them go link you or somebody new. Don't worry about that. When them come, you know the procedure.
Alright.
If any change of plan, I'll let you know.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Tell your security, say expect 3 girls to come. Alright? So if you expect them and soon as they arrive, if you call me before I send them up.
Okay.
Alright?
Any special time?
I don't know what time they come. When they come, you'll see them, man. You're there, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Stay here, don't move. I did them come.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah, roll us, so good. We have eyes all over the place here. When we are rolling, we're good. Nobody can trouble you again from now on. Yeah. Celebration tonight, man. What you say for me? Alright, yeah. That don't sound bad. But say it look good enough. We don't want nothing more than 3. No, we don't want 5 or 6. No. No go over 3. Alright. Alright, yeah man, I see you move out and thing. I look like no damage in your place, everything good. Yeah man. Sorry about that man. You know, so I saw you go so many times. Business go up, business go down. You know what I mean? Just so I wish you all the best in your endeavors to the new location you're going to. Same way, you know what I mean? I love street, I love Rasta man. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm going to fix up because some other people want to rent. One bring that them say one turn on to go gift shop. Where, you know, they pick up stuff for, you know, hot stuff for the hot ladies there. You know what I mean? Like dancehall stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, they have practice around there for people to dance from pole and do some party and everything. I don't know what they say they want, but something like that. So they my plan for it. Alright? Yeah man. Alright, do that man. Yeah, Candy. Yeah man, come page me around the plaza here so. To I shop them when I rent out. Them we don't want to get the youth them from up at the house to come deal with it one at a time then. You know what I mean? We think we want paint out in the inside and maybe change the tile on the ground. You know what I mean? Someone you can look on it, can them come estimate the material for buy and get it done. Like little flowers from around the door where you make the people put it. But now, right now, we want to get some things done. Alright? Because time I got money, I lose money right now. Money I lose. Right? We have 2 places vacant. I make the people them advertise. Link you them with the movie on the bill side. You understand? They sell your ads. Because they do good ads, you know. And people are watch them. So, advertise, we have 2 places to rent. We not sell them. Because we not sell out. Alright? Anyway, come link me run I plaza right now. Yeah man, Sunshine Plaza. Right there so. But right there, come right to the front man. With the right so. Alright? Yeah man, there I wait for you. Nah man, you alone come man. Just come look for someone before we go link them. Alright.
What going?
Yeah man, I tell you, kind of tired. We ended up on the club last time, I tell you.
I'm tired. This when you call me, I chain and know me the man. The work, we say fisherman come in and a big fish so the man carrying.
Oh, alright, that good
The man saying setting fish pot last night and the man when go to it, go behind him back and thief out the fish them out of the fish pot. So you know, say I'm a little virgin and more little fish, I can get it because I don't have to give him no money. So I did it and try to make one. One of my virgin them help take up it because I never want to route myself, you understand?
Yeah man.
But I know you're my boss and your class, so I have to move same time.
Yeah man.
So we are doing
So, and this me I tell about, say, me have them vacant. We have a bar rest over there.
yeah.
You know what I mean? And the tenant them gone. We have a close store rest and them gone to, but I understand so a new place built. So most of them are gift today. So the good still because I have them contract up. I'm on this refurbish. Right?
Yeah.
So I want to re-tile out and re-paint. Maybe take out some material and put it in board.
Oh, so you want me to get some
change
work
the
man
glass
here?
them, yeah man.
Yes,
Change
you
the
want,
glass.
what kind of money you want to get? What want me to get? Tile man and what kind of electrician man?
Get the whole 9 yards, just get it done. Just
Oh,
get
I
somebody
need
who can do
carpenter and
it.
everybody.
No matter who you get,
Alright.
just get it done.
Yeah.
Make it can look up to standard because we don't want new era now. I like them and something, I get some more of them now.
The palm tree them there.
Yeah, but I
Nice.
want one couple of them more.
We have this long time doing it,
Yeah,
going
man,
for
yeah.
nice and pretty.
I want more man.
I get some more for you. See where we did get them from? When they give me money for all of them, I pay them myself. So
Well,
we can get them for you, man.
Yeah man, get some of them man.
Yeah.
Alright, now you need it.
And I think I should have painted the place now and different colors.
We have a big, depending on that, we have a big thing that come up now, right?
Yeah.
We have some money to come in, but you can't go deal with it, you know. Right? So more check around, one girl on the radar, find her, and then you come page her and get her information, so you know if she come from everything.
So she are gonna do it?
No, what you need is one transaction because through
What's the line?
the feds them know you, listen. Everybody I watch you, I'm gonna watch. Everyone I next to them get watch. I tell you now. So yeah, me have to have people do it now. You understand?
Boss,
to clean up
something.
something.
Boss. You know, say me and Baba work together for a long time, for years.
Yeah.
And you know, say we control everything.
Yeah, and them I watch you know.
But you can't just take new people
No, that's
to control money. So.
That's why I said you forget somebody where you know, a female where you know.
Okay, alright.
So you
somebody
get
that
what you know. So
yeah.
bring her in, right? I want to human being. When human beings see money, they're not their self anymore.
Me know.
You understand? So none of them come to good and when they see money, they figure about that. So anybody you get, make sure you know where they come from. If we can't find their family, you know what. You understand?
Okay.
Know something about them.
Alright.
You can't know nobody still because the first time I get robbed is my own family. Right?
Oh yeah, you did that tell me before.
Yeah man, so
a long time.
I know my family like that and you have to see. So you can't really know nobody still. But can somebody come here and find them.
Yeah, in case
alright?
anything happen, you know if you don't find them.
Yeah man, so deal with this here. But in the meantime, line up somebody call by.
Last thing, yesterday Tyler, first time Tyler, need to
no, you don't get done. We want some, just to pick some good time, so we're not living there, you know. We just want to
money we
represent
give
us.
me. Bob, you see Bob? Boss, you know, tell us something about Bob, but no call what me name, you know, like how Bob stay, you know. It's like Baba run just against me. Cause you remember say me first did I work with you before Bob.
No, you can't mean as apprentice.
Yeah, but he come like he want to take over. You know, say money we give me other day, you see, him take out little out of it, you know, and then act like I stand on him. But you know, you see, me now when you find him, you see money where you pay me for me pay, I put it back in it. But just give him a chance.
As long as my money no short, no matter how I get it done. But yeah, what? Do you have to
no
do?
fight against him, I don't like his style, man. He want you to give most of the money more than him. You don't like it?
Alright, so this is a project of your project. You don't have to tell him about it. Get it done and you're going to get a bonus, alright?
Alright. Me check one of my bridging around for the road around this up.
Alright.
Later, yeah man.
Saw the something. How are you doing also? Everything good though. You want everything good though. I'm not up there go and like place. You see it? I have some little errands to leave it to me now. I'll make you know where I go and still. The place look good still. Where you go though? Here's me later.
When I am.
Yeah, because I have some things to deal with. I go up on the beach go chill out. Alright. You understand how all the vibe? Because I look for a new property right now. So I'm for all the meditation. So do what you have to do still.
Alright then.
Ah.
New song. She shared a teaser of her new song.
Hey, welcome to Kicks Footwear.
Hi,
how you doing? Hey, Miss Candy, what's up?
Hi.
Alright, so you're for the shoes?
Yes. So you want me to tell you about it on the phone? I want to make sure it's right when you put on.
Yeah, man, I have it right here.
Alright.
See,
So,
nice. Yeah.
little bit, you know.
She said she took a break, but she
15,000.
Come on a second. I wish she took a break before she break. Turn off a
Thank you
little
for
bit.
making kick to work today, alright? Appreciate.
Good customer service. Thank you very much. And they work as them nice. Yes, when they never do the other day, you see if you sit out and treat me.
Awesome. We love that. We love that. We call it
Me I tell you, see kicks, me can tell anybody over the world to come and kicks. Them have everything original. I want them to start telling me go around here. You know, if I start by around here, me not stop come.
I love it.
Me not tell a lie.
We love it.
Me not tell a lie. You think them turn up, then good. And me go tell other people to come by right here. So
Appreciate it.
all your things them nice.
Thank you.
So me come back. You see the next one coming at
Yes.
the other day?
Yes. So now we got order. Yes.
Yes, the pink one.
Alright. So thank you. I'll call it out. Alright. Thank you so much for making it right.
Yes, I always come back. Bless up yourself.
Good day, Miss Green. Shakaberry here again. So, on your husband. Yes, so you got the information that I sent you? Yes. So that is all his WhatsApp messages and all the text messages and all the nastiness that he have been doing with his church members. Yes. Yes. So just to let you know, going forward, any message that he's sending or receiving on his phone, you're going to receive it on your device as well. Yes. So I'm going to send you my banking information right away so you can have the funds sent out to me, okay? Alright, have a good day, and I do apologize about this. But I'm so happy that I was able to investigate this so that you can know what's happening and have the issue resolved. Alright, have a good day. Bye now.
At your heart. At your heart. Hey, boy. How is she that woman that day?
Miss Green, one foreign lady, she live a foreign. Her husband a pastor.
Yeah.
But him a cheat. Why? I believe say enough relationship. Me we a mash up in what my business. Why you cheat? You the cheat.
What you mean in a business you chat about it? Your business, man. A business, your business. When you do the insignia of the business, don't tell her work and collect money. You mad?
True, still. But sometimes I feel bad like
when you done with Miss Green and collect money, girl, she turn ripe.
I feel like I said I mash me them
Oh,
for relationship.
anyway, you don't say. Nah, tell a lie now. A long time I not get no work still, you know. Yeah, man. But the kind of year too nearby in a some kind of passa and some mix up sitting, you know. But me a kind of listen carefully, you know, to get every information where them a quarrel about and you know, but it sound like a sound drugs.
Done it
And
done.
you are going to deal with that, you know. Money we say.
Yeah, man.
And you have to deal with that, it have to done right
Yeah,
there,
man.
so.
Just
And
get
the
the-
money we are collecting, you know.
So just get the information.
Shakaberry. Me I listen to you a little while, you know, about the Miss Green argument, you know. Back to she. You're sure say she really want back her husband?
No.
Because right now, you know.
And nothing she go through with him, you know.
You know me come down already, you know.
She will breed the church member, you know.
She breed the church member, you know what I say?
I mistake me make, man.
Yo, you figure out what you just say. Anyway. What you mean? You mean say?
The man
The man.
breed the church member, the church sister.
About how much of them?
Enough of them he must sleep with.
I lie.
Enough of them.
I sign they go on with you in private. Man, no control. Listen to me, man. You need to talk to Miss Green. Ask her, say, if she want somebody to bust him ass for him. Because the man they need a good whippings, you know. And you know, say, when me ready, me do them kind of work there, you know. You know my style already, cause anything right now.
Yeah.
I'm money me say, you know.
Yeah.
Me will give him a good boss ass.
Yeah, man.
And make when Yasso, you know Yasso? They need them. When Yasso start hurt and sore and sitting. Him same one. I have to call him wife.
Yeah.
To come nurse it.
Yeah, man. That's
Like
so
bathe it, pamper it. Put hot water and salt on it. Cause guess what? Remember say they say until death do part.
Yeah.
Me nah say if you left him, you know, but mother take that work less, you know, I want
No,
piece
man.
of money that, you know.
I want good idea that, man.
Yeah, so when you start out it for me.
Yeah, man, me do that. Me talk to Miss Green
Yeah, man.
about it
Yeah, man.
and hear what she have to say.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, me send her a message.
Right away.
Yeah.
No, Lele, right away. Send her it straight. And you could have give her all my number too, you know.
Yeah.
If she feels that yo thing, you know, make she call me, because guess what? I ready to boast like them man there sitting. You can't this woman, so man.
Yeah.
You mad man. Breed all girl in a church and sitting. So him no respect for him wife.
I send her a message, so. Yeah,
Where marry the woman
reply.
for? And he know say no loyal.
Yeah.
Dirty man. What's that, Jefferson?
Good evening.
Good evening.
How may I help you?
I need to talk to you. Right here, sir.
Oh, what is it? I'm a man of God, you know. You have to stand up and talk to me.
No, but
Mama, you're too high. You can't be so higher than me. You have to come down here so the pastor can see you. You can't be above me.
Pastor, I just want you to pray for me, please. Just
Pray for you?
Yes.
What is the issue?
I don't want nobody hear me, and then heap of people that waiting up at the roadside. I don't want them to hear me. I say, that's something important I want to tell about me and my husband.
But listen to me, I'm not doing any preaching right now. You see the son I said, it's my Sabbath. So, how may I help you?
Pastor, I just want to pray one private prayer between me and you. I don't want nobody else hear about it.
A private prayer?
Yes.
So, are you married?
You know what I say? Me did almost married, but me not bother, sir, because the man, me can't take him. Me don't know what happened, but the relationship just a mash up, so I don't know what causes. So please, me I beg you, if you can carry me go one side, go pray, because you look like the neighbor in a fear area. Love listen to people business. You can just carry me over your house and pray for me, please, sir.
Alright. So, it's good that you don't have any husband because I can't deal with
Me
this.
not have no husband, cause what the husband them a do to them wife, me no like them, they sitting there, them wicked, yes, sir.
Alright.
So please, me I ask if you pray for me. So me can find one good husband that won't cheat on me.
Yeah, man, you can probably spare you a little prayer, even though it's my Sabbath. And I don't really do prayer after 6. You know?
Okay, sir. Yeah, man. Yes. That fear for you. Yeah, man. You love woman too much. You're too old about your pastor. Look on your face too. That you forget. That you forget. Now bust your head. Too outer, bright. That you forget. Now go collect my rest of my money now. Bright. What kind of pastor you say you be? You now.
What do you?
Boy, girl.
What do you?
Girl. I say I know what I even say.
No. What do you?
Girl. Actually, no, no. Me say me see the woman husband.
The pastor?
Yes. I trick him. I make him carry me in the yard. I barely me lick him in the face. Right now, he nose broke.
Yeah.
All one eye gone one, that's why he swell big. So
So,
I barely me lick him in the head.
You never afraid
no
him see
most
ya?
afraid. Then I in front of me go.
yeah, but supposed to grab you.
Grab what? Small axe cut big tree. And he sound like you want to hear him all out. Why? Why?
So you sure so nobody not see her
Me
here?
don't care if nobody see me. Me don't get half my money already. Go collect my rest of
Yeah,
money.
yeah,
Me
but-
need it now.
Yes,
That's
you
when me I
collect
walk
it.
away. Me make you know you know.
Yeah.
Say me I go collect my rest of my money now. And that you forget. That mean he have an idea if he's smart. If he's smart. And he wore like that. You see all the man there? Him can't preach to me. And he can't pray over me. Me no want to see man in my head. How wicked fat. Me say the Bible speak about them.
I take some pictures so I could have send somebody clip them go give me why.
Me no no time for take picture, not even phone. Me no care because me when done plan to go beat him and me no want run left me
Yeah,
phone. If
man.
he say me idiot, you come and look on you and see me picture up front and go show police. If you then come find me, you're mad. Use your head, girl.
Yes, true.
Everything where God said to reveal in the Bible, the little dirty thinking man. Think me we go get so much money and want to collect the rest and don't go bust in ass. Me case and tell you man.
Yeah, me tell her tonight when me go
Hell,
in.
the wife say the deal done and everything signed and sealed.
Yeah,
we
man.
need the rest of the money.
Yeah, I hope you
Ask her
learn
if she
your
wants
lesson.
to get one more bus after because I want more money for
I think
top of
that I think that serve him right. I think he learning.
Hey, suppose you're a big old dirty drunk man about him a pastor. A fake pastor, man and no real pastor.
We're not going to go
False
pray for
prophet.
him. And go to
Can't no good pastor and do them the foolishness they youth.
Yeah.
Me don't know them the people that sit down in the church and they listen to that big old dirty pastor. Suppose I see him too. About him a pastor. Head pull out so. And he not even dressed properly like him and no pastor. We go to church go preach and they come chat about yes they can come inside. I don't know when they try to. See if he can get me in a house.
So I hit me go for set
Trick
here
me,
a while
trick him.
ago. I hit me go for set here a while
Man licking
ago.
her head, you see brute ball out. Hey! Hey! That fi take him, man. That fi take him and I hit for reach him good.
Yeah, I hope he learning.
Develop strength for tomorrow. When you have not yet overcome today. Ask God for the strength for today, because what we don't promise tomorrow. So you ask God for the strength to overcome and endure today. When the trials come and you win. If you go and rest, let it be your story. Amen. Matthew 6, verse 34. But seek ye first, take therefore no thought forward. For tomorrow shall take thought.
Yo, Candy, hear me say now. You want to know, say, the girl, we give her some money to put in the bank, right? Because somebody end up with some cash come. All the money, you know. I know I can't find Dulce. And I can't find the money. You understand? The money when they in the house, if you take the money from in the house, money when they from in the house, mother takes money for she, but you know, money when they in the house, and money if you reach at the bank, so yeah. So we call her a while ago. She said she take up money. So you know, so the money like that, you know, so I run those who want run, those who go want fly out of the country. Some more you go find her. Me I give you $500,000 cash to find her. I hold up US money she gone with. Alright? Right, no more want to you step on it. Alright? Alright. She alone can manage, you know. Yeah, what go on? You hear me say now? You want to know say the girl named Dulce run off with some money for me? Yeah man, I don't see her, right? You know pa she live already and thing. More you circle her and find her now and carry money come give me right now, yeah? Put some money there for you. And now just do it man. Yeah man, Dulce, the girl is to work, yeah, new girl. Must only check out the background of her, you know. So I have an idea of where she come from. So in the circle, because maybe she know their yard, you know. Because this is one good piece of money she run off with. You hear me I say? Yeah man, deal with that right now man. We just want to look at property and go and watch where I go on, you know, because I plan to build one beach. One local beach cottage for one new property where I just buy. So I organize up that time I know where I go on.
Denise, see, let me make something for you. I want to talk to you now. You know me, you hear me and your mother argue last time, but now watch that. We are sister, and I'm still your auntie. And don't worry yourself, I go away for go stay somewhere because I'm soon gone. And don't worry yourself, because when you get big, I go buy one piece of island, somewhere over for me and you, and you come check me over there. And I can't reach out, you're not rich enough. You have to reach out my needs, alright? So I go come go away now, hold on. Now, do you say your baby? Yeah. You got lock the grill car, you're alone there here. Alright, the baby. Take care here. Yeah. Auntie love you. Yeah. Later. Yeah.
Get a message a while ago. Yo, I'm not get the phone. I call the phone from when, man. You know there's some money missing, Dulce.
Yeah, bossy. I don't know nothing about that and I take my money.
No ramp with me now. Some money missing right now. I can't see money in my account. See that on the computer me there. I can't see no money in my account. And if you take the money out of the house and put it in the account, you know, so they might watch me.
You're not going to hurt me now because I know me take the money. And me I believe if you want to believe, but me I tell you I know me take the money. Okay?
And then I just am employed as a new worker, you know. No ramp with that money, you know. Yo, alright. So wait, that said, what are you there now? Tell me why you there now.
I'm not come now because this one now.
Yo. Can you white tea that come give me right now? The man look so go on. So I see Dulce with a friend one day. So I know I go do. The friend must know part in the iron sister. Ah, no say a word man. Right now, can you come get it? Yeah man. Do it right now man. Alright. Well, today is a good day. Give thanks to life.
Hello? Girl, I want money. When you say I need to get the money. But girl, right about now, me I leave the country. Me have a boat away from me. So if we start for them, say them feel like them all got the airport and catch me, I lie them a tell. Because I want boat, me I go away from later. Yeah, so I'm just call it make you know say, me I go away. Me give proper information when I reach home, me I go, alright?
Yeah. Yeah, up at the house, me come check to see if the workman them when go on with nothing. Right now, me have to go get one man to come cut the place cause if you see the heap of bush them, the grass them grow up. Yeah man, but about 2 weeks now, the man them not come and now work. It not fully finished yet, you know. It not finish, but it almost done. I want the place to finish up. And on my house, I'm a boss house, but I'm me in charge of it. He always send the money come give me for me pay the workman them. Remember say I'm a boss I work with. One day girl, my boss have money, have money like that and he want whole heap of business place and something. Yeah. Yeah, so anyway, he did call me kind of gone overseas. Yeah girl, my boss travel all the while. He called me yesterday and said me did come check up here if the man them did come and work. Him say he talked to them 2 days ago and then when he said them I go come do some work up here. But when me come, me not see nobody. So I have to go get back in touch with him later, but I know he's saying busy then overseas. So he went tell me say when he gets on spare time he will text me back to find out if me did come up here so and see him and them at work. But nobody know the place lock up, no work man, nothing. Play bush and same thing a long time cut. Yeah, so I tell him to send money come give me and make me send the workman when me used to get to come cut up here and make him cut the place. And you know my boss there already, you know. Just when this a sort out, when he send him money that the man they not play with him money. That the man they not play with him money. And he knows say me not trouble for him money. You see anything when me do for him, me always try to get one receipt to show him. Me take the picture and send it go give him. Yeah? Yeah, that's why he trust me with it. Yeah. But me I wonder how much money Wakaman now charge me now because it's higher than before. Yeah. And you know say you have to go buy gas and the card if you go in and walk off you cut that the highest in the office now. No my boss not say nothing, money no bother him. Watch out what you talk say. What you just say? Allah you tell my boss don't stay so. If me tell him say the worker man say XYZ amount of money if you cut that, in the send come for give him for him cut it. I'll give him more money for him buy a drink too. That me I tell you one good boss we have. Ask Chris when I see Chris. Why you think so we stay with him so long and I work for him? He always treat me and Chris good. When he give you repair, he give you extra money so if we use it as we pocket money. Alone at Christmas time he always get on things to me and Chris. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I Dulce me I go down the road go look for you now because I need to talk to her about something. I go down her yard. Me tired. Girl me dey walk from. We are way walk and now me can't done walk. Cause before me go to the house, me did a walk already, you know. Yeah. The road long man. One hill me dey pan a walk I go down. Me tired, here me dey blow. Feel like I'm dey run past on horseways track. Yeah. Tired girl. Me tired so till. Me tired so till. Right now I want to sleep. I go to my bed late last night and I wake up early this morning. Because too, as I tell you before, my boss did call me and tell me something to go and check up on the place if the workman them up there. Because the man can't send me money come give me to give them and then get the work done. You know what the workman I do? I notice them, you know, love charge people money for work and then they draw out the work because they want more money for it. Take more days than what you think. Yeah. So the longer it takes to do more money than collect it. All of them are general. I use their head. But true, they can do it good enough. Because I not tell them like yesterday I was there, the man they will make it. They work neat. That's why we still use them. If they not do them work. Anything me tell me about I think go buy because I know me not play. Yeah girl. When me done me I go call Chris. Yeah, because he did say me and Chris will go down in farm go check out something for him and in cow and in goat them. Because some other man down there so he work on the farm. Yeah. So anyway, I soon catch the girl here down at Dulce yard. Me and her go talk about something, so I have to go hang up the phone here. Yeah, so we chat later man. Look more. Dulce! Dulce! Little girl. Morning, what is your name? Eh? Your name? Okay. Dulce is here? Your auntie?
No, she just here.
Where your mother?
She gone for you. I'm me one here beside her.
You can't go and sit down in there. Your mother say nothing for it? Okay. Well, your mother teach you good because me a stranger and you don't know me, so I don't have anything against you not pulling the grill. Yeah, where your auntie there? Yes. You don't see your auntie?
She left with one bag of money.
Your auntie left with one bag of money?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
In her bag.
Eh?
You went in her bag.
You have a whole heap of money in her bag? Jesus. Okay, alright. Alright, my darling. Thank you. Alright, so anyway, don't worry yourself. Not pull it to strangers. Listen to what your mother say. Because you don't know me, so you're a good girl and you grow good here. Yeah. Alright, my baby. You see if your mother come, tell your mother say Candy did come look for her.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, later here, baby?
Yeah.
Alright. You're a nice little girl. You're very intelligent and you're polite. Your mother I teach you the right way, man. Here? Good.
Dulce. Dulce. Dulce there. Auntie there.
No.
Where mama there? Son of one there. Oh, what more ask you is you see your mother have no suspicious looking bag in her house? No bag we don't look we don't fit in there? No bag with no money no.
Money? My auntie have one bag with money.
Put it on that name.
I don't know.
You can't let me in. So you know when your auntie will come back?
She not come back and then I go back.
Oh.
Because she has too much money.
Oh, she had too much money. So you don't know where she would have gone. Alright then. That's all. No more.
One girl asked for the same question. She just said them candy.
She Rasta. No, she not Rasta, but she natural hair. Well, natural hair. Like fade hair.
She have ketchup.
Alright then. That's alright, yeah. That do, yeah. Alright. Later, yeah. Make sure you do good in the school, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Why can't do that in the school? Bossy. Yeah, you know, say, I the girl me come check for since morning. But more ask you one question. How much money you have a look for you? Yep. You have more than one somebody look for you. You tell Candy if you look for you too. Bossy man. I shouldn't do that, yo. Should just let me look for you by myself, man. If I go look for you, I challenge them. Anybody first find out get the money. Alright then. Alright. Yeah. We there.
Yeah. How that?
Wait again. What if I'm the same?
We go turn around and we go at that time realize.
Back outside my show. Yeah, I know.
Share come. Go on. Give me go share come. Him a come. Jesus Christ. Yes, yes.
Alright, so do that again. Action.
What are you doing now?
Jesus Christ. How are you there?
What you are doing?
Me not think I retire.
Retire from who?
How are you there?
And so what? What you doing now?
Yeah, me there. I look for Dulce.
Chris.
Yeah?
You look for Dulce?
Yeah.
But me I look for Dulce.
What do you mean I look for Dulce?
Me I look for Dulce. Why you look for Dulce?
Listen up. Listen up. Me need to find. You see me I look for Dulce, I see me I look for Dulce. You understand? You a whole heap of money make for them things and you feel a young people time now. I feel me food this, I feel me piece of roast this. So I have to just ease off. You understand? You get a whole heap of money already, man. At my time now.
Chris.
Eh?
You figure out how you talk to?
Yeah, I figure out how I talk to man.
And me name Candy. And me teach you how to make money.
So you use against me?
Me not use against you. What you mean? A young people time now, so me feel low you making this and that. So old people not use money?
Yeah, but me must say I'm going to food the jack down in your time, you know. Me jack down.
Wait there, hold on there. So, because me jack down money, whole heap of time.
Yeah.
Me fi stop now. So money stop
no,
me in my life. You're mad.
Ease off.
Ease off which little bit of money this. And you can't do nothing without money.
Well, you know what I'm saying? You are man.
I know me can't believe say you're in here so.
No man, listen, can you respect you, but
no, me respect you too, Chris, and me expect say me would have buck up in here so, but everything good, man, you know. Me come up here then.
Me go to the house, me not look here with you, you know. Not look here together. I look here for you and I look here for you.
And me I look for you together, me never tell you that.
But me, that me I try to tell you, say me and I look here together.
We are doing the same place when me dey, you know, let me come on.
You're not force me, no. You're not force me.
You think you're going to win me, and me I find this, and me I find her. You're bright. Hello. You need to give me more information, man. Yeah. Because it come like a rat race this, you know. I mean in a rat race thing, you know. Anything me start, me a finish it the right way and me have to win and me a go find the girl and me a find the money. It come like you know give me the good information. You need to put a tracker on the phone. Yes, so any call make you know so you have it right there so in our system. So next time we go to the right place. Because it look like a whole heap of people there on this, you know. Yeah. Whole heap of people there on the hunt. Yeah man. So do what me say.
Hello, good morning, Miss Candy.
Good morning.
Yes, I have some information on Dulce.
Yeah.
Yes, so I get her information.
I hope you have some good information to give me today, you know.
Yes, I do. I definitely do. So I had one of my guys put a tracker on her device, on her cell phone.
That
so
sounds good, man.
All right, Miss Candy. So as soon as I give you her information, her location, and you solve the case, just make me get my money, please, okay?
Send it to me, you know.
Yes, man, I will.
Because I need it.
Yes, I need it as well because I need it.
Urgently,
Yes.
I want it right now. If I could have get it right now, I would have glad.
I really need the money because right now me have to sit down out a door basically because light bill high, me can't turn on the AC.
Lord. Look how much money me get, right? Everybody have to get some after this, you know. Sasha. Kim. You know, me they will give me X one part of the money, but the boy that this me, you know, he still about give him. Andre. Lad, I'm a good outside man. It's a female, you must forget no. Nah, call him name, can't call him name, no one the girl didn't hear me. Nikki. Alright. Sister girl. What one? Yes, girl, you know, say, why? Me go left with some money, you know, cause me go away, cause me take a piece of money from my boss. And me tell you, say, if them find me a problem, I can't even tell you what me dey. But me go tell you how you go get the money. Yeah, me go Trinidad and Tobago. Me call you with the information, girl. We're not getting the information yet, but me go make the money reach, you know, before me go away. And I better take the money, do no foolish, you know, because I know no stay. I try to take on a little time, pinch it and make it too obvious, because I already say I know me. Alright? Yeah, girl, later, me get the information. Alright, girl. take up the little money.
Where boss money? Where boss money there?
No money.
Where boss money there? Yo, where the boss money there? Where boss money? No, talk to me something. Me need the boss money now. What you feel like? Hey, yo, where boss money? Give me boss money.
Look out for me.
Where the money? Me want to know where the money there.
Yeah, look out for me.
No man. I hear about that. Yo, get up. Give me boss money. Give me, how you do? Give me boss money. Give me the boss money. Me want the boss money. You think so I got money? Me need it now. No jokes. Give me right now. Yo, hurry up. Yo, give me this one. Give me this. And make sure I say everything in this. You're not taking on none. You take on none?
No.
You sure? I say my boss know how much money did have, you know. Me can't know how much, you know. I just want to know, so I get back the money again. Hey girl, don't move, you know. If you move, you're just dead. That me I tell you. Bossy.
What go on?
You don't know, so I find the girl.
You get the money back from her?
Yeah man, they have a bag right now.
What's she there?
She there right there, so she can't move.
Yeah man, so here we now. Just send the location and make me can forward. Me word them forward cause so I go on. No let out your site, you know.
Bossy, she can't run, she there right there, so I mean up the bag. The door they close and just one door alone open and she can't go through it. You understand? Cause she tried to escape, me kill her right there, so. So you need to send over there, man. Because, hey.
Yeah, me send somebody come send me location now. Send me
seal, bossy Peter seal over the scheme.
Yes, but send me a location off your phone.
102, I'm going to give it on my phone, see you. I just have to make you know for now.
Alright.
Send you. So, bossy, they have the money for real, you know.
Alright, you'll get paid.
Yeah, man.
Me I send somebody come right now.
Alright, bossy. Give me the away. Yeah, man, send them come.
Yeah, share
his money. Share his money.
Come here, share money.
You can have this my boss.
Yeah, work for somebody when I rate you.
You're an idiot. You don't have no style. Share which money?
Yeah,
hey girl, you think you can throw me out? I must say mad. My boss take care of me too much and too good. Or you feel like me I cannot be here, so. And if you think you can escape, you will never escape. Yes, when the man then come, me not even look at you. Make sure say all of the money in this. Make sure you not take out none, because me can't know how much money you take away, you know. And what you give me, I eat me have. I'm sure me not going to go take out none. And you see me the 2 guy then. You're not escape to them. One way in, one way out. You're not going to them.
You know, no sense, man. That's how you think.
But girl, you still alive? You really jump over a railing? Hey girl. Are they come? They can hold you. Gone, next take taxi and gone. Bossy.
What go on now?
You don't know say girl get where?
How come that?
The girl jump over one 2-storage building and drop her ground and the girl not dead. And wait, by the time if you go downstairs, the girl get up and gone.
So in gone with the money?
No, me have the money. But me don't know if for the exact amount where she take away from you. But it look like she line up some taxi man to come like the girl no say. This a go happen, you know. Cause she can't run so fast and gone. You look like the girl take taxi and gone, man. But me must book her. No worry yourself, bossy, me have the money.
Allah, long as you have the money, carry the money
So
come
call
then.
the next man them and tell them.
More time for no bother fall, alright then.
Alright,
Carry the money come.
Alright.
Yeah man. We have a new editor. Yeah man, so we're gonna rise up back one thing. From what the editor did out missing in action and different stuff. So we carrying one different editor. You might know her. You know what I mean? Coming from Portmore. You know what I mean? Yeah. You don't know where to go. From Newland City, right? Yeah man, so some move you go get and go new branch. You understand? So we there go and hold the car still on the west side, you know what I mean? Enjoy the beauty of what left, you know what I mean? But we have talent, you know what I mean? So we have to go and put that to use, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so that I go on and now. It's a blessing, you know? It's a lesson. So big up to all of the sponsors, all of the producers from that time to this time. Empress, you big up yourself, you know what I mean? That's San Franco, Jewel, and all of the network, Damien, you know? It's a long list, you know what I mean? David, big up yourself, same speed, you know what I mean? Yeah man, burn it down to the ground man. So we're there go and fight a war man. It's a war in a real life and a joke business. So we have one and two things we want to unleash. But we soon get to that part. You know what I mean? Because I have plan to do some action show, like some real serious show like Shatters and things. But further update. Anyway, yeah move. So.
Yeah. You ready, fire?
You ready? Action!
If you want to be the man, come after me, man. You can't kill me, baby. You can't be just one. You want me to go out? It's all I can black clown. Let that baby be father, girl. Bob, you look like a man, Bob. Hey, what are you doing? Do that. Get up. Get up. Let me go.
All right.
Do that.
Uno bill now. Uno can't share me. Uno just share me. Just share.
Share what?
Alright, cut.
Cut.